Hi, I am Anindita Das Bhattacharjee. In a previous video, I have explained the cognizant aptitude pattern and also mentioned about automata fix problems, post which I have uploaded videos on different types of automata fix such as bit shift operator, Pythagorean triples, spiral matrix, etc. and also video on quantitative aptitudes. In this video, I will share the latest update on CTS test pattern and roles offered by CTS in 2021 recruitment drive. I will explain each and every step of this recruitment drive along with the exclusion of verbal ability and new inclusion of writing ability test. I will also share the best practices to clear writing ability section and will provide frequently asked writing ability and interview questions in this video from important subjects. This year, CTS is offering two roles for campusing. The first role is called Gen C and the other role is called Gen C Next, which is offered with a higher package as compared to Gen C. The eligibility criteria to apply are year of pass out should be 2021. All streams from BE Tech, MEM Tech, MCA and other engineering 5 years integrated course are eligible and should have a consistent academic record of 60%. So before registration, verification is done based on aggregate calculation till last declared semester results. Even at the time of joining, they would check for 60% aggregate. That is, the result of semester yet to be declared also need to have more than 60%. There should not be any backlogs at the time of appearing the cognizant registration as well as joining, and a maximum of 2 years of gap in education is relaxed. And the candidate should also be flexible to work anywhere in the country in any shift and in any domain. This will also be asked in HR round. The recruitment process starts with round 1, which has two parts. One is aptitude and the other one is debugging. Aptitude includes quantitative aptitude and logical reasoning. This year, there is a speculation that instead of verbal ability, writing ability will be tested, that is, essay writing. And debugging is nothing but automata fix. So you can refer to my other videos on quantitative aptitude as well as automata fix. In this video, I will also cover the method and essentials of essay writing along with most frequently asked and current affair topic on essay writing. There are couple of pathways from round 2 and in round 1 there are sectional cutoffs which I have covered in the video on cognizant aptitude pattern. Once you clear the cutoff criteria based on your number, you would be eligible for Gen C or Gen C Next. So if you are through to Gen C interview process, there would be test on technical ability, cognitive ability and HR will test right attitude of the candidate. This is nothing but your technical and HR interview. Basically, the technical questions will be asked on your areas of strength that you will mention in your CV. Your final year project, internships, also some HR question to test your knowledge about CTS and how much do you understand the industry that CTS works in. And if you get through this interview, then you are selected in CTS for Gen C role. But if you score higher in round 1, you would be eligible for Gen C next round 2 instead of Gen C. This is a programming and problem solving round and there will be test on your programming skills, which is section 1 and section 2 will test your understanding on problem solving skills, understanding of data structure and algorithmic capabilities. The main focus in section 2 will be in designing space and time optimized code. In this video, I will also provide the most expected technical questions from different domain for both Gen Z and Gen Z next rounds. There are two pathways from here. If you don't clear this round, you would be eligible to appear the Gen Z interview round that I explained just now. However, if you get through this round, you move to Gen Z next interview round. In this interview, apart from technical and cognitive ability, problem articulation, programming concept, algorithmic capabilities will be tested, followed by the HR interview questions. If you clear this round, then you end up getting the Gen Z Next package in CTS. So, nothing to worry about. This Gen Z Next role, because if you prepare questions that I will give you in this video, you should be able to clear at least the Gen Z interview. So let me tell you the pattern and structure that needs to be followed to clear writing skill section. It is always advisable to write the essay in simple English with short sentences. Should be within 300 to 400 words with no grammatical mistakes. And do not divide into several paragraphs. Now, the writing structure should have three sections. First, the introduction, which is a brief about the topic given. Then, the body of the essay, which should focus on the main point, followed by a conclusion which should be crisp and clear. That is, it should be clear to the reader that the body and the conclusion are aligned. So, in order to write a perfect essay, once you get the topic, don't just start writing. First, think for at least couple of minutes and identify some points. Then, start framing the essay on the basis of those points into three mentioned sections. Always use short sentences in order to avoid grammatical mistakes. Never makes usage of active and passive voice. Always try to use active voice. Never use pronouns like I, me, etc. and avoid complex and supernatural theories. So you can keep in mind these points and you should be able to clear the writing section. So the most frequently asked topic are listed here. Please check. Try to follow the steps and practice this. Even if the topic you get doesn't match with this, but more or less, you should be able to use these thoughts from these topics. These are the frequently asked questions on data structure, operating system, Java, C++, database management system, and networking. You can expect the technical questions mostly from the domain you mention in your CV. Prepare these questions well and please go through my videos on quantitative aptitude and automata fix. And I'm sure you would be able to clear CTS drive. All the best.